It is windy out here in Cali, and guess what? That don't mean nothing when you have a pet, because they want to get out and still do their thing. So we're on a walk. It won't be long because it's too cold. My bones can't take this. Anyway, Jordan. You guys probably hear a lot of wind because that's the wind. Jordan. All right, she bundled up today. Look at her. She got to take a little pee. All right, we're going to keep it moving. Let's get to the side, but we are out and about walking at the park on the boulevard, letting her do her thing. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and get out and walk your pet, regardless, no matter what.